What's up you guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. Something quick and easy. Let's just call this a lazy naturals day. But let's hop into the video.
Like all of my gang. Even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.
So this is how my hair looked before I styled it in this video. So now that I have my hair split into 3 sections, 1, 2, 3, I'm just gonna go ahead in this section that I have out and start to use the conditioner and water mixture to detangle. Obviously, we need this clip because I cannot detangle all of this all at once. It would never work. So let's just take out the small section in the back, put this up. So I have some hair out back here. I can already feel that it's pretty tangly, but I'm just gonna go in with some water and conditioner. I should have put on gloves so that it's not all over my hands, but it's a little bit too late for that. And yeah, we're just gonna detangle. Let's just say my hair has just been through it. It's just been going through it. Nothing too serious. Like, I would just say, in my personal opinion, my hair has been going through it. What I am going to do is go in with a little bit of conditioner or leave-in conditioner and put it on my hair to give it some extra moisture now that it is detangled. And just so that it doesn't get retangled, what I'm going to do is just twist it up. And this is our first section.
A few moments later.
So now that my hair is fully detangled in these 4 sections and I have no idea what I'm gonna do to my hair and I'm out here looking like my name is Felicia, I'm gonna take down these braids and put it in a style. So nothing special. You guys seen that I was putting them in twists, so they're still in twists, but I'm gonna take down the twist too. Oh, wait, you made it this far on the video and you haven't liked it yet? That must be a mistake. I'm gonna give you a second. So now that I have the back section out and I still have no idea what I'm doing to my hair, even though I think I'm leaning towards the low bun. So this step is optional, but I decided to put the back of my hair in a separate ponytail. So I think for now I'm gonna braid this up or twist it or something. I think I'm gonna just twist it, save myself the work, and just give it a twist. Have this ponytail and a twist. Going to take out this front, plus I'm gonna give myself a part. So yeah, I have my middle part right here, and as I said, I'm thinking I'm just gonna do a low bun. Not even like a sleek low bun necessarily, just a low bun. Bring those 2 sections back there. So I just put some leave-in conditioner on the top. I got my brush. I'm just gonna smooth down the top part of my hair. Just a little bit though. At this point, you want to take out the twist that you did. And this is the final look, you guys. It's a low sleek bun. It's not really sleek, but it's sleek enough. So yeah, it's a low sleek bun. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Remember, if you like this video, to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Over like all of my gang. Even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.